nanti manfaat-manfaat BDMS, kerjasama BDMS dengan PMN ini akan saya sampaikan sendiri juga nanti ya setelah sesi dengan Mr. Timothy. Oke, kalau gitu tanpa berlama-lama lagi ya, kita akan mulai sesi ini. Tapi sepertinya tidak afdol kalau misalkan kita mulai suatu acara tanpa ada lagu We Are Number One, ya. Oke, kalau gitu teman-teman panitia mungkin boleh di-play dulu musiknya.
We all share the same destination. We all work together as one.
In this place there is only one vision, and that's to be the number one.
We all have the right combination. Care and quality, there's no compromise. Doing the very best will be our mission. It's something that we need to realize. It's something very special in our eyes. We are Prudential. Our values mean a lot. We are the people
Who give it all we've got. With a sunny disposition, we can overcome the odds.
Yes, we have a valid reason to believe we are number one.
Take one more step,
One more step.
reach out for excellence.
We'll do whatever it takes to touch the sky. And we help each other reach our aspirations.
We know that we can do it if we try.
We are Prudential. Our values mean a lot. We are the people
Who give it all we've got. With a sunny disposition, we can overcome the odds.
Yes, we have a valid reason to.
So my name is Tim, and I've been working closely with the regional team in Hong Kong for quite a while to put this package together. So we did a lot of work together, and we understood that the need in various markets in the region was for a cancer package. So we worked with your regional team, and basically we identified various markets to launch this product in. So Hong Kong, Vietnam, Cambodia, Myanmar, and Indonesia. So what I'm going to do today is very quickly give you an overview of BDMS and kind of a sense for what this will look like for your clients. So BDMS, we have 58 hospitals. We see about 3 million international patients every year. And we have hospitals all over Thailand, and we're already seeing many patients from Indonesia coming to our hospitals for many different things, including cancer. This slide gives you a sense for Bangkok Cancer Hospital Watanoso. So this is our dedicated cancer hospital, and this is where this program is being delivered. Bangkok Cancer Hospital Watanoso has worked very closely in the past with MD Anderson, which is rated the #1 cancer hospital in the US. So we've done a lot of work with MD Anderson to basically try and provide the same level of care and outcomes that MD Anderson achieves in the US. This just gives you an overview of the hospital. We've got 12 centers within the Watanoso Cancer Hospital. We have different clinics. The overall hospital, Watanoso Cancer Hospital, is accredited by JCI. And in addition to that, the breast cancer program is also separately accredited by JCI. And JCI is a US organization that kind of ensures that international hospitals are meeting US standards in terms of safety, in terms of quality, and in terms of meeting certain kind of metrics of care. Again, just some pictures for you of our clinical team at Watanoso Cancer Hospital. We have about 120 physicians, many nurses, and all of our doctors are subspecialized and work within specific kind of centers and clinics which cover every aspect of cancer care. In terms of the accreditation, I told you before, the JCI accreditation for the breast cancer program, and the hospital was recognized as Cancer Service Provider of the Year in Asia Pacific in 2020. So it's a very good, and actually it was the first private cancer hospital in Thailand. We focus very much on total cancer care. So we don't just treat, but we try and prevent. We screen, we early detect, we diagnose. And then we offer kind of palliative care as well as kind of long-term survivorship programs. For every cancer case that we see, we put them through a tumor conference, a kind of multidisciplinary team. This includes, medical oncologists, the people who deal with chemotherapy, includes radiation oncologists, surgical oncologists, pathologists. Basically, the entire team comes together to discuss each individual cancer patient and put together kind of a customized treatment program that is best for that patient. Just some pictures for you to kind of see the kind of facilities and the kind of equipment that we offer. All of our equipment is purchased either from the US or Western Europe. We don't use from other markets. So it's very, very high-end technology and equipment that we offer. This slide gives you an example, a sense for the kind of the rooms in the inpatient setting. So for all of the patients who come here, they're 100% private rooms. No one has to share. And of course, for this program, the accompanying relative can stay with the patient in the room as well whilst they're hospitalized. So that's something nice as well. They're 100% private rooms. This is an example of the chemotherapy center. We recently kind of redesigned this and kind of renovated it, and it's focused on kind of two things: privacy, safety, and it's also focused on providing chemotherapy in a very kind of nice, relaxing environment. It doesn't feel like a hospital. it feels like a very nice kind of, relaxing, soothing environment, which we find works very well with our patients. Just some more pictures for you as well to show you what the chemotherapy outpatient setting looks like. In addition to the treatment, we also offer kind of non-medical services. We find that this really helps with the patients and their overall kind of sense of well-being and sense of kind of health and feeling happy. So everything from kind of psychological services. So people, when they come for cancer treatment, we find are scared, they're worried, they're concerned, their family members concerned. So we offer kind of psychological services as well for our patients. Healthy meals, things like music therapy, etc. That's the cancer hospital. Let me quickly cover for you this whole breast cancer program. And Agung, in a few minutes, will just kind of summarize the key points of it. The first point that I want to make clear is that our outcomes are very, very good. This graph on the left basically looks at how we do versus overall US hospital, as well as what is called National Cancer Institute designated cancer hospital, which is basically, there are about 20 of those in the US. And they're recognized as providing the kind of leading cancer services in the US. So this just looks at breast cancer stage of diagnosis and what percentage of the patients have BDMS in the US overall and in the US specific are alive 5 years later. And the red line is the Watanoso Cancer Hospital. And you can see that for each stage of diagnosis, more patients survive with us than in the US. This goes a bit deeper into survival rates because this is important, guys. The number one thing that people care about when they're diagnosed with cancer is, are they going to survive? And what we've done here is we've shown you in the red kind of number at the end, the Watanoso 5-year survival rate and how it compares with Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, as well as USA and Europe. And again, 5-year survival rate, basically 95% of patients are surviving breast cancer treatment with us, versus in Malaysia about 65%, 77% in Indonesia, and 80% in Singapore. And the reason why is what I've just shown you. It's the multidisciplinary tumor conference board, which puts together a very customized treatment program. It includes access to the latest chemotherapy drugs. Some of these are not available in other markets. And we've seen that in China, where, for example, they don't have access to all of the chemotherapy drugs that we have. And that is why a lot of these patients come to us for that access. And I think as well as down to having very good technology, as well as very highly experienced and very specialized doctors who just will not give up and will try everything to help these patients. This kind of summarizes the model for you. So basically, the overall model is that this is for treatment of stages 0 to 3 breast cancer. It's not for patients over 80. And the way that this works, I think the word package is a little confusing. What we're offering is we guarantee that 1 year of treatment will not cost more than 2.2 million Thai baht. So if the treatment comes to 1.8 million, we will bill 1.8 million. But if it goes over 2.2 million, we will absorb that cost. This program is initially only for Prudential. We kind of put this whole program together with your regional team in Hong Kong. The other nice thing about this, that it includes all of the treatment, the investigation, but it also includes accommodation. So we've got our own hotel next to the cancer hospital called Chiwa Residence. And the package includes up to 60 nights stay for the patient plus the accompanying family member whilst they're undergoing treatment in an outpatient setting. So in other words, when they come to Thailand, there will be very, very limited out-of-pocket costs for these people. During the hospital, obviously, they can stay in the hospital, and if they're having outpatient treatment, for example, chemotherapy, they can stay free of charge. We're absorbing that cost at the hotel. In addition, we try and make the kind of overall experience as smooth as possible. So we've got a dedicated service counter at the Bangkok International Airport. It's right outside of the customs exit. And because we're seeing, 3 million international patients every year, we put that in place. So we will pick them up and we will drive them to the hospital as soon as they arrive from Indonesia. This gives you a sense for the hotel, what it looks like. It's very nice. It's walking distance to the hospital. Just gives you some pictures of kind of what it looks like. And a lot of our patients choose to stay here because it's A, comfortable, and B, very convenient. In terms of how the referral process works, basically, if you have a case, you would send an email to this email address, info@bangkokhospital.com, with CCs to kind of our operations people and our clinical people, notifying them that you've got a Prudential BDMS breast cancer package patient, and they will then manage that process for you. That's really a summary. I'm just going to now pass it over to Agung to kind of summarize the key points as well as kind of this slide. Thank you, Agung.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Tim. Selamat sore Bapak Ibu sekalian. Dalam slide ini saya ingin menyampaikan bahwa dari program ini mencakup inklusif yang ketat yang memerlukan pemeriksaan di awal. Dan program ini adalah perawatan untuk pasien kanker payudara stadium 0 sampai dengan 3 yang merupakan nasabah dari Prudential dan tidak lebih dari 80 tahun di mana kami juga membatasi untuk harga atau biaya dalam jumlah tertentu untuk seluruh perawatan dalam waktu 1 tahun. Biaya akan ditagihkan melalui aliran operasional atau proses yang sama seperti yang sudah berjalan saat ini dan digunakan tetapi dijamin untuk biaya tidak melebihi dari 2,2 juta Thai baht untuk 1 tahun pengobatan, yaitu sekitar 900 juta rupiah. Periode 1 tahun dimulai sejak dokter yang bertanggung jawab di rumah sakit kanker Bangkok Hospital Watanosot menerima pasien ke dalam program ini, terlepas dari perawatan pasien di negara asal atau di Indonesia yang telah dilakukan oleh pasien tersebut. Pengobatan spesifik, pembedahan, terapi radiasi, kemoterapi, terapi hormon, tergantung pada kebutuhan individu setiap pasien yang diterima dalam program ini. Rencana perawatan individu untuk setiap pasien akan disusun dan diinformasikan terlebih dahulu. Terima kasih.
We're also, if there are any questions from anyone, we can certainly answer any questions that anyone may have. And feel free to ask in Bahasa to Agung and he can translate.
Hello Pak Agung, mungkin bisa kasih experience how many Indonesian people already have a good experience in this hospital could become our reference.
So I think the question is how many patients have we
from
been
Indonesia,
in the hospital? We see, I don't know an exact number, but we see hundreds a year. And actually, more than 50% for cancer are non-Thai, right? They're foreign patients coming here for treatment. We've seen a lot from the Middle East, so a lot come here from, UAE, from Dubai, as well as from, regional markets as well. I can't give you an exact number, but I would say hundreds a year are treated for cancer at Watanoso. Also, I'm not sure if you've seen it, but we shared with your team a testimonial. And this was actually I think she was a European patient who came here for breast cancer treatment. And we shared that testimonial with you as well. But in terms of Prudential, for this package, we have one patient who's kind of in the pipeline, who's kind of, we think will come soon. But we've just literally launched this package like a month ago, right? So it's very early days. So I think soon we should have more from Prudential.
I mean, how many Indonesian people have this experience? That,
Indonesian.
Indonesian people here come to your hospital.
Good question.
Yeah.
Yes, for Indonesians, I don't think we have a lot of the Indonesian at the moment for breast cancer. But some of Indonesians that come to Thailand for treatment is such as another cancer. Let's say that right now we have 2 or 3 patients a week come to Thailand, go to our Be the Best hospital. Yeah, both in Bangkok and some in Phuket and some in Hat Yai, the southern part of Thailand. They have a lot of the Indonesian patients cross Malaysia border from Penang to Hat Yai, the southern part of Thailand. And we wishing that for this our campaign, we can have a chance to provide the services of the breast cancer to Indonesian as well, especially for Prudential member. Yes.
Yeah. Sure. Thank you.
Any question?
Mungkin apabila boleh menambahkan, Pak, jadi terkait dengan pasien yang dari Indonesia, kita juga cukup banyak beberapa pasien nasabah dari Prudential yang sudah berobat dan mendapatkan benefit dan merasa sangat puas dengan clinical outcome yang sudah didapat dari berobat di Bangkok Hospital. Seperti ada salah satu contohnya, pasien waktu itu memang bukan dalam konteks pasien breast cancer, tapi pasien dengan pankreas, terus pasien juga dengan neuro, ortopedi, dan juga terkait dengan ada beberapa penyakit yang spesifik selain dari ketiga penyakit tersebut, seperti CBG, jantung, dan juga beberapa penyakit yang lainnya termasuk plastik surgery.
Mungkin pertanyaan berikutnya Pak dari teman-teman saya mungkin ya, apakah di Indonesia ada agentnya, jadi bisa konsultasi sebelum flight to Bangkok?
Baik, saya coba jawab Pak. Jadi untuk kontak point di Indonesia dengan saya, dengan Agung, nanti mungkin untuk alamat email serta ini bisa disampaikan oleh atau bisa ditanyakan kepada PMN.
Oke.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih. Sorry ya, nggak bisa buka video karena di lock.
Mr. Tim, he asks about the contact point of in Indonesia when they have the patients or they have the client who will go to get the medical treatment in Thailand. And I already answered, they can contact me.
Yeah.
They're free to get the appointment, to get the information related about the medical opinion, who the best doctor, which are the best option for their patients, which we can do personalized to their patients.
Yeah.
If you add on, please.
Yes. So Agung, that's fine. What we've agreed with kind of Prudential head office is basically we want to be able to make a decision on whether the patient or the member is eligible for the package before they fly to Thailand. Okay. So in order to do that, what we would need is basically medical reports, right? Latest medical reports. I think your team knows about what those exactly are. They would then be sent to us, right? To this email address, info@bangkokhospital.com. And then basically the doctors here would make the decision about whether or not this patient is eligible. Now, the only reason they wouldn't be eligible would be A, if they're over 80 years old, or B, if it's a stage 4 breast cancer, right? Because it's only stages 0 to 3. That's why we were able to keep the costs relatively low. So they can obviously go through you, Agung, but ultimately that's kind of what we want to do. We need the medical report so we can make the decision, and then we can say, yes, patient X is okay for this program and they can come to Thailand. Because we don't want, right, Agung, and maybe you make it clear to them, we don't want a patient kind of just coming to our hospital, right? They must kind of get approval that they are eligible for the package before they fly to Thailand, because otherwise it could be a real problem that someone comes, they don't have an appointment, we've heard about this cancer package, we want to do it, right? And then for whatever reason, maybe it's a stage 4 cancer, and we have to say, sorry, cannot. And then that causes a kind of customer service issue. So all it says, just we need to get the things beforehand before they come to Thailand. And they should not approach our hospital directly. It must be via Prudential. Through
Sure,
to the hospital.
Yes, very clear. It's related with the Prudential. Mr. Reiki will present what kind of the detail of this program for the customer. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you, Mr. Tim. Thank you, Mr.
Thank
Song.
you.
Is there any questions?
Okay, last question. Is that only for breast cancer or the other cancer that you expect for it?
Thanks, Raymond. Right now it's breast cancer. This is, to be honest, Raymond, this is the first time we have ever done something like this, right? I mean, we've done sort of, kind of programs for hip replacement and this sort of thing, but we've never done anything for cancer. So we're trying it with breast cancer. If it goes well, I think there definitely would be the opportunity to do more, say prostate cancer or maybe even lung cancer in the future, right? But for now, it's just breast cancer, this fixed program. But obviously, I mean, we treat every type of cancer you can imagine, right? But just we don't have a sort of a capped package like we do for the breast cancer. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Masih mute kayaknya. Sorry, Pak Reiki, suaramu hilang atau suara saya hilang ya? Nggak dengar sih, Pak Reiki.
Reiki hilang.
Coba dicopot ininya. Nah, dicabut.
Ya. Sekarang udah belum?
Ya, jelas.
Oke, sorry. Sepertinya ada trouble tadi headset saya. Mohon maaf. Ya, thank you Pak Raymond. Tadi sudah menanyakan beberapa pertanyaan langsung kepada Mr. Tim ya, dan dibantu juga sama Pak Agung. Di Bapak Ibu sekalian, di sesi berikutnya saya akan menjelaskan beberapa alur dan juga persyaratan klaim package klaim kerjasama antara BDMS dan Prudential ini. Nah, oke, mungkin untuk di slide ini udah sempat dijelaskan sebelumnya sama Mr. Tim ya, bahwa di package ini kita nggak hanya menawarkan servis dari sisi pelayanan medisnya aja, tapi kita juga ada pelayanan dari sisi akomodasi seperti yang Bapak Ibu dapat lihat di sini. Yang pertama yaitu ada akses pelayanan khusus selama mengikuti program khusus perawatan kanker ini, ya. Kemudian akan ada diberikan akomodasi di Chiva Residence Thailand secara berkelanjutan, ya Bapak Ibu di sini untuk pasien yang memang entitled menerima package ini. Kemudian di Bandara Internasional Thailand juga ada counter layanan BDMS. Jadi kalau misalkan Bapak Ibu mau tanya-tanya atau mungkin bisa mendapatkan flyer package ini di sini, ya. Dan juga ada layanan penjemputan dari Bandara Internasional Bangkok ke rumah sakit, ya. Nah, lanjut. Kemudian paket yang diberikan layanan di sini yang pertama adalah pembedahan payudara. Jadi baik itu pembedahan maupun rekonstruksi itu hanya berlaku untuk satu sisi payudara, ya. Kemudian ada terapi radiasi, kemoterapi, terapi hormon, obat-obatan dan juga konsultasi dokter di Bangkok Hospital Watanosot, ya. Kemudian fasilitas tambahan selama rawat inap yaitu adanya layanan penjemputan khusus di rumah sakit. Ini khusus untuk pasien package ini, ya, untuk nasabah Prudential. Kemudian ada ruang rawat inap pribadi. Jadi layanan rawat inap yang diberikan di sini hanya berlaku untuk yang satu bed, ya. Kemudian ada layanan penerjemah, ruang sholat, makanan halal selama di rumah sakit, layanan perpanjangan visa, layanan pendamping untuk kebutuhan non-medis, layanan antar jemput ke pusat perbelanjaan lokal, dan koordinasi layanan pemulangan, ya. Nah, itu merupakan paket-paket yang ditawarkan untuk kerjasama antara BDMS dengan Prudential di sini. Nah, kita akan lanjut ke syarat dan ketentuannya. Nah, syarat dan ketentuan di sini, package ini berlaku untuk nasabah yang terdiagnosa kanker stadium 0 sampai 3, ya, dan diagnosanya ini harus ditegakkan oleh pihak rumah sakit Bangkoknya ini sendiri. Program ini berlaku sampai 11 Juni 2025 dan berlaku untuk nasabah usia maksimal 80 tahun, ya, pada 11 Juni 2025. Berlaku untuk nasabah pemegang kartu PPH plan 4 sampai 8 juta, kemudian PPH Plus, PPH Plus Pro dan juga PSS Plus Pro, ya. Kemudian periode perawatan 1 tahun dimulai dari tanggal konsultasi pertama, ya. Kemudian nasabah harus memenuhi persyaratan dokumen pendukung, ya. Satu dokumen-dokumen tersebut antara lain laporan mamogram, laporan PET scan, laporan patologi, dan laporan dokter riwayat medis lengkap. Gitu. Kemudian tadi untuk perawatan hanya berlaku posisi payudara udah di mention juga, ya, di slide sebelumnya. Next. Nah, kemudian tadi juga kebetulan ada yang bertanya, ya, di sesi di kolom Q&A, apakah rumah sakit BDMS ini udah jadi rumah sakit rekanan Prudential. Nah, di sini sekalian saya jawab mungkin, ya, Bapak Ibu ada yang punya pertanyaan serupa. Jadi package ini tentu saja dapat dilakukan secara cashless, ya. Seperti perawatan di luar negeri lainnya, kita akan dibantu oleh TPA kita, IA International Assistant, ya. Jadi prosesnya mungkin kurang lebih mirip seperti perawatan di luar negeri yang biasa nasabah Bapak Ibu lakukan, ya. Jadi akan ada proses presertifikasi atau prapendaftaran terlebih dahulu, ya. Adapun dokumen yang harus dilengkapi kurang lebih sama, ya. Ada paspor, ya, kemudian nomor telepon yang dapat dihubungi, e-card beserta nomor polisnya, serta hasil pemeriksaan medis beserta surat rekomendasi dokter, ya. Kemudian nasabah baru dapat melakukan perjalanan ke Thailand setelah menerima konfirmasi prapendaftaran dari Prudential Indonesia, baik itu melalui email yang terlampir, ya, melalui email yang terlampir dalam formulir prapendaftaran. Gitu. Jadi sebelum ancer-ancer nih, sebelum berangkat ke Thailand harus menerima notifikasinya terlebih dahulu, ya. Rumah sakit berhak untuk tidak menerima nasabah jika hasil diagnosa di Bangkok Hospital menyatakan bahwa nasabah terdiagnosa kanker stadium 4. Seperti yang sudah disebutkan sebelumnya, package ini hanya berlaku untuk nasabah yang didiagnosa cancer stadium 0 sampai stadium 3. Ya. Next-nya. Oke, ini ada satu contoh ilustrasi ya, di mana nasabah bernama Ibu Mita berusia 57 tahun memiliki asuransi kesehatan PPH Plus Pro Silver B ya, dengan masa pertanggungan hingga usia 85 tahun. Pada tanggal 1 Agustus 2023, Ibu Mita mengikuti program perawatan kanker payudara BDMS. Ibu Mita diminta melakukan pre-screening atau pre-sertifikasi ya, yang dilakukan di rumah sakit di Indonesia. Kemudian, hasil pre-screening dikirimkan ke BDMS melalui International Assistance. Pada tanggal 3 Agustus 2023, Ibu Mita dinyatakan lolos pre-screening dengan diagnosa kanker payudara stadium 2 dan dijadwalkan untuk konsultasi pertama pada tanggal 5 Agustus 2023. Ibu Mita datang ke Bangkok Hospital sesuai jadwal yang diberikan untuk melakukan tindakan pembedahan dengan rawat inap 7 hari dan dilanjutkan dengan tindakan rawat jalan untuk kemoterapi. Ya. Berikut adalah ilustrasi penjaminan program perawatan kanker payudaranya. Ya. Jadi di sini untuk perawatan mohon maaf, untuk perawatan rawat inapnya ini dalam ilustrasi di sini kita bayarkan ya, seluruhnya biayanya kurang lebih 1,3 juta baht, dan ini untuk terpisah ya, rawat jalan kemoterapinya setelah rawat inap. Itu. Oke. Nah, ada beberapa yang dikecualikan dalam paket ini. Yang pertama adalah dalam perawatan ini kita tidak menjaminkan adanya targeted chemoterapi ya, kecuali obat-obat trastuzumab atau Herceptin ya. Kemudian kita nggak menjaminkan pengujian genetik kecuali tes Oncotype DX, pemberian obat imunoterapi, pengobatan penyakit penyerta, misalkan selain kansernya ternyata ada penyakit penyerta seperti hipertensi, diabetes, atau mungkin gagal ginjal dan lain sebagainya, itu tidak dapat kita jaminkan karena paket ini hanya menjaminkan kondisi kanker. Kemudian yang terakhir adalah kondisi kambuh atas kanker payudara dalam 1 tahun perawatan. Gitu. Ya. Untuk informasi lebih lanjut, Bapak Ibu sekalian dapat masuk ke bit.ly Pro BDMS atau dapat menghubungi line telepon Pro Medical Network di 15085. Next. Oke, ini sudah habis nampaknya ya. Oke, Bapak Ibu, jika ada yang mau bertanya, mungkin saya mungkin karena di sini pertanyaannya ada yang open dan belum terjawab, mungkin akan saya bacakan ya. Kita masih punya waktu kurang lebih sekitar 19 menit lagi. Pertanyaan dari Bapak Johnny Johnson. Bila perawatan kanker di Bangkok, lalu kemoterapi di Indo, apakah masih bisa langsung? Maksudnya ini masih bisa dijaminkan gitu ya? Jadi perawatan kanker yang di BDMS ini yang kita jaminkan khusus perawatan kanker rawat jalannya ya, Bapak Ibu. Jadi mungkin kalau yang rawat inapnya nanti dijaminkan lagi, tapi selama ada indikasi, tapi mungkin di luar package ini. Karena package ini hanya menjaminkan biaya rawat jalan kanker aja. Oke, mungkin nanti juga akan dibantu teman-teman panelis ya untuk menjawab pertanyaannya. Oke, sangat. Oke, nanti untuk Bapak Ibu yang masih mau bertanya, boleh silahkan di drop di kolom Q&A ya. Nanti akan dibantu jawab oleh teman-teman panelis. Mungkin sebentar. Oke, selanjutnya mungkin dari Pak Didi atau Pak Raymond mau memberikan statement terkait package kerjasama antara BDMS dengan Prudential ini, Pak.
Baik. Ya, thank you Pak Riki. Semangat pagi Bapak Ibu semua. Semoga dalam keadaan sehat. Thank you atas waktunya sudah mengikuti sesi pengenalan dengan rumah sakit. Saya yakin ini good news buat kita, salah satu solusi di saat kita memberikan servis terbaik kepada nasabah. Kita biasanya tahu ke Bangkok itu jalan-jalan, Bangkok itu makan enak, shopping. Betul ya Bapak Ibu? Jadi kalau orang dengar ngomong, oh ke Bangkok berobat, orang nggak percaya. Karena pikirnya itu adalah pasti shopping, pasti jalan-jalan. Nah sekarang di Bangkok ada rumah sakit yang pasti sudah teruji untuk memberikan pelayanan, khususnya sekarang masih di sakit kanker ya Pak Reki ya.
Ya, betul.
Pasti sudah teruji secara dunia. Ini menjadi tambahan solusi kepada nasabah kita yang mungkin risau kalau amit-amit kena penyakit kanker payudara. Jadi juga menjadi pengenalan juga buat nasabah yang saat ini, oh Prudential ada kerjasama loh dengan rumah sakit yang ada di Bangkok. Jadi Bapak Ibu semua, ini informasi bagus yang kita bisa sampaikan ke nasabah. Dan kalau tadi kita lihat secara rumah sakitnya keren ya. Di sampingnya pasti ada durian Bangkok atau makanan-makanan Bangkok enak ya, tom yum dan lain-lain. Sehingga nasabahnya lebih cepat pengen sembuh atau nggak dikurung di rumah sakit, makanannya lebih enak-enak di Bangkok, tidak terasa
Kasih
sakit.
akomodasi pula Pak ya.
Paketnya keren, jadi tidak terasa sakit dan mereka ya artinya pergi ke Bangkok ya image-nya nggak sakit lah, jalan-jalan dan sembuh. Baik, thank you juga tadi Pak Tim ya panggilannya Pak, namanya ya. Thank you for your opportunity. Jadi kalau bagus juga kalau bisa ada sekali-sekali mengikuti event yang ada di Prudential. Kita ada big event dari apa rumah saya di apa?
BDMS.
Ya, BMS buka counter di acara misalnya di Jakarta ini kan kita punya final sprint. Kita ada final sprint tanggal 10 Oktober. Jadi ini juga bisa buka counter di Jakarta sehingga pengenalan banyak agent, ada 5.000-an agent kita hadir, bisa ada flyer di sana juga mungkin lebih cepat. Ya saya lihat di sini mungkin mereka masih pikir ini acara apa sehingga yang join baru 60-an. Ya tapi oke, ini good start buat kita semua. Next step-nya bisa follow up, ada roadshow dari rumah sakit ke sini atau pasang booth tadi yang saya sampaikan. Ya mudah-mudahan juga dengan tangan dingin dokter-dokter yang ada di Bangkok bisa memberikan alternatif menjadi salah satu solusi pengobatan buat nasabah kita yang ada di Indonesia lewat Prudential. Terima kasih semuanya. Mari kita berikan pelayanan terbaik, servis terbaik kepada klien kita. Semoga mereka juga lebih nyaman memiliki perlindungan kesehatan bersama Prudential. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you Pak Raymond.
Terima kasih banyak Pak Raymond.
Thank you.
Biasa.
Thank you.
Oke. Baik teman-teman, Bapak Ibu sekalian, dan juga teman-teman dari Prudential dan teman-teman dari BDMS, ya luar biasa sekali dari speech-nya Pak Raymond ya. Semoga betul tuh tadi, semoga dengan adanya kerjasama ini tuh nasabah kita tuh pada saat dirawat lebih happy, lebih positif pikirannya gitu ya, karena ya banyaknya alternatif-alternatif yang ditawarkan dalam package ini gitu. Oke. Kalau begitu Bapak Ibu sekalian, terima kasih yang sudah join bersama kami di sesi bersama BDMS ini. Semoga pelayanan ini dapat berjalan secara maksimal dan juga kita bisa memberikan pelayanan yang maksimal pula kepada nasabah-nasabah kita, ya. Oke, kalau begitu saya Reki selaku MC untuk kegiatan kali ini undur diri. Mohon maaf jika ada perkataan atau perilaku yang kurang berkenan. Terima kasih semuanya Bapak Ibu. Selamat pagi.
Pagi, terima kasih.
Terima kasih.